it's Kathy, Crafty Chica, and I have got the easiest pillow project ever. I wanted to share it with you guys. So I found these pillow sleeves on clearance online. I bought everything they had because I knew I have all of this fabric with these cool appliques. Look for fabric that has these giant cutout appliques. They work great on these pillows or for purses. So the first thing that I did was I ironed the fabric and I cut out all of the sides of it, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some double-sided interface. This is heat and bond. This is my favorite stuff to use, easy for no-sew projects. I do love to sew, don't get me wrong, but sometimes when you're in a hurry, you just want a no-fuss project where you can have it look fabulous in no time at all. And that's what this heat and bond does. So I ironed the piece on there, and then I used my pinking shears to give it some texture, and I cut out the shape all the way around. This is going to be the centerpiece of the pillow, so I want it to look nice and fun. After that, I took the backing off, so you just peel the corner, peel it off, voila, it is ready to be ironed on the pillow sleeve. Here's my pillow sleeve. I determined where I want to put the applique. Look at how cool it matches. I think this is the world I live in, where all of these colors are just in everything that I use. Make sure to measure each side of it so that it's nice and even, and then use your iron at the highest temperature to iron it all in place. But we're not done yet. We could leave it like this, but I like to give it just a little bit of jazzing up to frame it, so therefore I pull out my puffy paint. This just adds a nice border, so I added little dots all over. If you wanted, you could glue down some trim, maybe some gems, whatever you wanted, just to finish it off. It just makes it look more polished. And the final step, pick up some plush pillow inserts. I'm using these nice ones from Polyfill. They're 20 inches. It fits perfect inside of my pillow sleeve and really brings it to life. Let me show you what they look like. Whoa, see what I mean? Easiest project ever. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and check out craftychica.com for even more crafty ideas. Happy pillow making!